one time I did there at Jamaica. And this girl did have a little thing going. We talk over tag, back and back. The tag was the shit. Everybody did the pan tag, all your mother, grandmother, mother. Yeah. Pan tag, we are back and forth with conversation. Every morning, she send me a message. So I send her back a message. So one day we decide so we'd have a meet up. I tell her I say for meet me at town. Now I go call her name. I know in the evening time everybody do out on the road at Jamaica on the sidewalk. Who not play domino or play Ludi or them a gamble or ball game or play on the road. Then time they bringing a girl at your house was you are the man on the street, you are a girl is I go to the shop for buy a pack of condom. The woman asked me if I want a bag. I said no lady, no need no bag because she not ugly. So I said to boom now and I hold her hand and I sing it and I go in and I'm begging them there in the corner and they look for me and them pussy no, watching to know. One carry girl and miss down yard. We're going to the house right now. Boom take off slippers, take off shoes and we're going to my room. So we're in our room for a good 10 minutes. All of a sudden this girl nah talk. So I say, yo, I want to all of the tough chat them with I give me a tag. You see? So she say, oh that was tag. Me never mean personal. We just did a talk back and forth. So I know why you take it in anyway. I like you and things, you know, you're a really nice guy. Knowing the troublemaker I am, me keep pressuring her to say, yo, you want to do it? Till me start get bored, so I start juke her in her side and she a giggle and my sister she didn't like that, so I try to push it a little further. Pull my pants and make my pants drop off and I say, yo, shit, sorry. Me never have in a bed. So she say, oh, you know fair go on, so why every time you talk about sex? Bitch, man think about sex 24/7. She dead up on the bed now, so when me a stroke, you see it, she a talk and I talk back to her, but them time them me never did used to them talking a sex thing. Them they give me some crab. Alright, therefore. You just want hook and done, you see it. Big up who remember them hooking days there, yeah. Just a talk to her. In the sex she start ask me all kind of questions. Andrew, you love me? Andrew, you still a go marry me? How much money you have your boss here for give me? I don't know if I try, she try to stop me from come or something, but in the whole sex thing, I don't know, my mind just starts straying. Who might have baby with a girl? Is she the girl of my dreams? Until me just stop it, because I'm never in a mood again. So she asked me if it was alright and thing. I say yeah, I liked it. I never come. I tell her some come. I never did come. The time at yo. Oh God. Yeah. If you not feel something, just make them know straight say you not feel it. I not take off my shirt for be sexy, but me I said the time hot yo. Don't fake sex.